Departure United 2241. We have an extremely loud noise here after the gear came up. Can we talk to the tower again, see if they see anything hanging down?
United 2241, Pacific Departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 1000.
Okay, I don't know if you caught my transmission. We need to go back to the tower, level off here at 3. We may need to return to the airport. I just want to see if they saw anything unusual on takeoff.
3000 and say intentions.
Okay, 3000. And I'm sorry, what did you say after that?
United 2241, say intentions, and are you declaring an emergency?
Negative, not at the moment. Stand by.
United 2241, turn right, heading 340, vectors for the minimum vectoring altitude.
Okay, right turn 340, and we are having an engine issue. We are going to declare an emergency, and we'd like to return back to Dulles.
United 2241, roger, understand engine issue. Can you give me fuel remaining and souls on board?
Yes, we have 3 hours of fuel on board, 18,000 pounds, and we have 113 on board. At the moment, both engines are operating. We are just having some unusual indications and extremely loud noise, so we're going to return.
United 2241, roger, cleared back to the Dulles Airport via radar vectors, maintain 3000 and turn right. Heading 050, Bravo is current. Advise if you need any further assistance.
Okay, 050, 3000, and we will not need emergency equipment. And can you notify our dispatcher for us since we have very little time here?
United 2241, yes, I will have them do that. And you said you do not want emergency equipment?
You know what? Right now all the engine indications are good, but let's go ahead and have the emergency equipment just in case. We're not sure what's going on.
Roger, I will let them know. And Bravo's current. Expect runway 19 right, 19 right.
19 right, United 2241, right now 3000 and 050 on the heading.
2241, turn right, heading 100.
Right, 100, United 2241.
United 2241, descend and maintain 2000, Dulles Airport 2 o'clock in 11 miles, advise the field in sight.
Out of 3000 for 2000, United 2241, field in sight.
United 2241, cleared visual approach, runway 19 right.
Cleared visual approach 19 right, United 2241.
United 2241, contact Dulles Tower 134.42.
3442, 2241. Tower United 2241, emergency aircraft, we're on the visual 19 right.
Thank you, United 2241, Dulles Tower 1403, runway 19 right, clear to land. Emergency vehicles are headed out now to get you when you land.
Okay, cleared to land 19 right, United 2241.
And United 2241, if you're able, once you land, if you could just exit the runway and then come to a stop.
Okay, we will exit and then we'll come to full stop, 2241.
And 2241, you can come to a stop and talk to the emergency vehicles on 123.77. Once you're all done there, then you can go back to Brown for taxi.
2377. United 2241. Okay, we're parking brake set, and we have not brought up the flaps. The flaps, we just had loud noise and vibration. Since we put the gear up, we're at 4823, stand by. We're good. We brought the power back to idle, the noise is way down. And also in reverse at high power, it's going to reverse. So, tell if it's the right end or the left end. All our engine indications are normal otherwise. No, just at high, either in reverse or in forward, at higher power settings, you had a very loud noise and vibration. And when the power was in idle, that noise was way down. So we're not sure what's going on. If you don't see anything abnormal, we'll go ahead and taxi to the yeah, we're going to need to tow because especially if there's a problem with number one, we're not going to want to restart that. We don't want to just pass that number two.